Okay, this is the salmon we got smoking. I
Smells
wish you could
delicious.
smell it through there because it smells so good. Turn on the light here.
Got a cracked pepper on it.
Cracked pepper and honey on the smoked salmon. I've had it on now for almost, well, 3 hours now. Um, look at the edges. Oh,
Oh, that looks so good.
it smells just as good too. In the container there, I put some wine, a little bit of water, to keep it moist. So it's looking good. I'll explain the brine and everything I did. This is freshly caught up at Dennys Dam, which is a couple hours past Grand Bend North, where we do our seasonal September salmon run. So what I did for this was a nice brine, um, a wet wet brine. So I used some pop. I used brown sugar, kosher salt, some cayenne, some wine in there as well. Um, yeah, it turned out really well. It's looking and smelling good. Again, you shake that pan, you can hear that little bit of sandpaperish on there. We want to check the bottom of that. As you can see, it's looking nice and brown. So I'm going to flip just this one and show you here what it should look like. Again, all preference on that, but that's how we like it. Nice golden brown, just like that. And again, usually 8 minutes or so each side, and you'll get that nice golden brown. You can see a little bit of that butter in there or oil, makes it crisp up nice. So we'll flip the other one. I like that sound too. It's good. Now, as you flip them properly, um, you'll see they are nice golden brown. You can cook them again to your liking. You know, if you like it a little more crispier, a little less crispier, whatever. It's to your liking. There's the woman of the hour. Um, so these we might even flip again, but um, I like them just like that spot right there on that fish. That's how I like mine done. Nice golden brown. Working with an amateur here. He can't seem to get the flip down. Let's go like that. There we go. Now you can see the pan's dried up just a hair. So what I do is, because it's dried up a hair, I'll just take a capful like this and pour it in there. Again, you want the oil warm if at all possible, um, before you start this pouring stuff in. But when it's dry like that, you know, it's better to have the oil on there. That helps seal in the taste and keep it from sticking and stuff like that. Helps it brown up nice. All that good stuff you need, the oil helps with. So I just do this, make sure it all gets nicely coated. Again, I wish you guys could smell this stuff, because it is smelling good too. mm, mm.